You think drones are just for cameras and cool aerial shots? Think again. Because DJI just dropped a beast and it might change the way the world delivers in extreme conditions. Hey everyone, if you love keeping up with cutting-edge tech like this, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you don't miss any of our updates. Now, let's dive into DJI most powerful delivery drone yet. Meet the DJI FlyCart 100, just unveiled in China and already making waves. This is not your average drone. This is a heavy lifting, mission-critical machine built to handle situations most of us wouldn't even drive into. Emergency rescues, remote power line construction, disaster relief. That's what it's designed for. So what makes the FlyCart 100 so impressive? Well, for starters, it can carry up to 80 kilograms of payload, almost double what DJI's existing FlyCart 30 can handle. And it charges crazy fast, just 9 minutes for a full battery. And this thing is tough. We're talking IP55 weatherproof. It works in freezing minus 20 degrees centigrade winters or scorching 40 degrees centigrade heat. And it laughs in the face of 12 meters per second winds. It's even built to climb to altitudes of 6,000 meters thanks to a reinforced 8-propeller system and massive 62-inch carbon fiber blades. What about range? Well, with a single battery, it carries 80 kg up to 6 kilometers. Add a second battery, and it hauls 65 kilograms up to 12 kilometers. And yes, the batteries themselves self-heat, last up to 1,500 cycles, and can even power your phone if needed. Now let's talk about the lifting systems you get too. A flagship hoist system with a 30-meter retractable rope for complex jobs like powerline repairs or a simpler 10-meter dual electric rope setup. And it's packed with intelligent features like auto anti-sway, real-time weighing, and a remote hook release in case something gets tangled. Safety. DJI did not skimp. Here, the FlyCart 100 has LiDAR, millimeter wave radar, fisheye cameras, and night lights, giving it full 360-degree awareness. It can detect pedestrians, vehicles, even adjust altitude automatically to avoid accidents. And if something goes horribly wrong, a parachute deploys, even at full weight, keeping everything and everyone below safe. On top of that, the DJI Delivery app makes mission planning and fleet management super simple. There's air guidance, loading zone detection, real-time flight monitoring, even cloud-to-cloud integration so you can add third-party payloads or build custom workflows. Right now, the FlyCart 100 is only available in China, starting at around $12,400. And DJI even throws in insurance that covers damages up to $14,000 and third-party liability up to $180,000. No word yet on a US release, but the smaller FlyCart 30 is already FAA approved here. At the end of the day, this isn't just a drone. It's a glimpse at the future of unmanned, low-altitude logistics, delivering supplies in disaster zones, carrying equipment up mountains, reaching places trucks just can't go. So, what do you think? Would you trust a drone like this to deliver critical supplies when lives are on the line? Or are we still a ways off? Let me know what you think in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace out.